La Hacienda?
Yeah.
Where the fuck I am?
Jared, you ever land here?
The sub button's
Nah.
back. The sub button's back.
cool,
Everyone
this map is
subscribe. You can
insane.
subscribe now. Woo!
Fuck. You guys really know how to, make me feel comfortable.
That's what we're here for.
This is actually a cool spot.
Yeah. We have comms actually for every part.
Yeah, we
Call outs.
have call outs for every part of this place.
Reminds me of like, did you guys used to watch Sacro back in the day when he played DayZ?
Mm-hmm.
He played so much DayZ, they had a call out for like everything on the whole fucking DayZ map.
That's pretty
It was
cool.
insane. I fucking played DayZ like fucking 5 years later. I still didn't know where I'm at. Shit, dude.
That was shoddy.
Fuck I am.
And then M4. How do you damn? What the hell?
I'm right behind you, Chad.
Or that shotgun? Nice.
This is way more chill than school.
It's like a much more like controlled school because you could kind of maneuver a little bit.
Yeah, that's what it seems like.
Where the fuck I am?
Level 2 vest.
Careful, Chad. I think there's a team.
Armory,
over here.
armory.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Down one outside. One more
One more,
armory.
same spot, same
Two
spot.
more
Outside,
armory.
outside,
One
outside,
more. One more. Okay. Nice. One more armory
Yeah.
for sure. Shotgun.
Okay.
I ran out of bullets. Thank you.
Carl!
Oh,
Are you okay?
no, dude.
Everything
Chad,
okay?
you're looking worse than him right now.
I'm chilling.
You need meds?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay.
I ran out of ammo. He's still crawling outside.
I
man.
hear him.
Where the
He's a
fuck
little
I
boy.
am?
I'm sure. Maybe sauna?
Where the fuck I am?
Got no ammo.
Yeah, one sauna.
Got one guy on me.
Nice.
I am.
There's another one in here.
There's like 3 more in here, dude.
Where the fuck I am?
Oh god, another one on me.
Okay. On the roof.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm gonna die here. I'm dead.
I am.
Oh shit, we're coming. We're coming.
I got him actually. They're all dead.
Nice.
Okay, you're insane.
He res his
Look
teammate.
out.
That was my kill.
Where the fuck I am?
Dude, where are these guys? What?
On the roof is what you're hearing.
Oh, on the roof.
Yeah, you're hearing.
Oh, gotcha, gotcha.
They're just
God,
stream
check me
sniper.
out.
You're not used to
Literally,
it.
everybody.
I know this is- I know, it's just
weird.
weird.
The same.
Where the fuck I am?
Every
So many.
someone just landed.
Why? Yeah.
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 Where the fuck I am?
This is how we play PUBG. It's a good time.
So bizarre.
Where the fuck I am?
That's how they spend their free time.
Wadu. Wadu,
Where
that.
the fuck I am?
I mean, there could be worse
Why,
ways of
dude?
spending your free
Oh!
time, I guess.
Oh god. I don't know where it's got shot from.
I think it's like
165 somewhere.
Yeah, like the other compound over.
Yeah, compound. He's probably in that window of the 2-story.
Yeah.
You
That's
got
all of
them
them,
all?
I think.
Okay.
Yeah. Wadu might still be around, actually.
I don't know if Wadu made it.
Where the
I
fuck
don't see him here.
Wow.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's this
that's the other
compound.
one earlier.
Where the fuck I
No visual.
Shaba, right.
Oh, he's right. He's close to me.
Shaba,
Oh, I see
right.
him.
Oh, I see him. I see him. Yeah.
Behind that rock.
Yep, right,
333
right on you,
subs.
Chad. Right on you.
Three,
Right to the
three
left.
subs. Thank you guys
So
for the
right now.
subs. Dude,
He's
we
just
might have
juking it.
33K.
I knocked me. Knocked me. You got him. You got him. I lit the shotgun a little bit. Nice job. Nice
Fucking
job.
rock, dude.
Fucking shotgun, mate.
If I get sniped right now, dude, you're dead to me.
You don't have a first aid by chance?
Yeah, I got
Yeah,
two.
one. Hey.
Trying to, Here you go, take one.
Thank you.
I lose terrible.
Yeah.
Where the fuck I am?
Jared, do you need first aid?
The sub button's back.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sub
Sorry,
button's
I'm
back.
trying
If
to figure
you're
out fucking-
if you're
Yeah, you're
trying
good,
to
you're
subscribe to my channel or any channel, make sure you refresh it. Oh my god.
Who's this guy?
Oh my
Good spot we got out of here.
What is that?
Where the fuck?
And we got an extra 556.
Nah,
Yes.
I'm double 5-5. I only got 16 reserve.
Rip.
I got you. I got both of you actually. How much do you have,
Oh,
Chandler?
hell
Ammo?
yeah.
I have 0.
Where the
All right,
So I
well,
have 16.
we'll do 60 and 54.
Yeah, I need a little bit. I don't need too much.
Thank you, my dude.
where the fuck I am?
The car here.
Got a truck over here.
Yeah.
Where
Oh,
the
yeah.
I see a team 210 that compound. Next one. If we want to drive or run at it, I don't care.
Yeah, we could fly in there.
Want to drive? Okay, fuck it. Let's do
Yeah,
it.
let's fly in there. Let's do the classic
Let's do
Mike
it.
strat.
I'm down. I'm always down with this.
where the fuck I am?
Full YOLO.
I got level 1 vest. I'm ready.
I don't know how many there are. I saw one, so we're gonna see what happens here.
Oh,
God.
I feel safe. Nice.
Turn though, that was sick.
Where the fuck I am?
Head inside.
I bet you it's just the one
Where
in
the
this
fuck I
building.
am?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Where the fuck I am?
Me?
Not. Oh, oh.
Outside my building.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's just the one.
Nice.
Figured.
Yep.
That would have been fun if it was a whole team.
Yeah, that was like the
Devin.
perfect fucking dismount. That was clean.
Fear Gastic for the 3 months. 4K2 Op, thank you for the 5 months.
Where the fuck I am?
Shroud, do you ever get like starstruck when you play with actors? No, not really. I mean,
Oh, there's a guy
it would have
75
to, it would
running
have
left
to
right.
be someone I really, really,
You guys see
really
the rock?
like.
He has anything though? Anything?
Yeah, he's funny,
Really
dude. I think
enjoy,
he's a
like
sniper,
something
yeah.
that I've
Fuck I am.
One of the
like
boys.
an actor that I've watched for years.
I'm gonna hit him with
You know,
the
something
fucking
like
Tom
that.
Brady.
Like I don't
Where
know.
the fuck I am?
That's it.
Oh, he's running. No, he's spinning. No, where you go? Yeah, you didn't have anything. SMG suppressor, dude. You're into that kind of thing.
Ooh, well, yeah, I don't
The
know.
the only way I would ever like get starstruck is if it would have to be like an actor like I really care about, like someone that I watch a lot. Fucking an artist that I listen to a lot. Like Trivium is probably really like it's up there. You know, it's really cool because I listen to a lot of Trivium. It's really cool to know
Wait,
him.
one sec. Wait in the truck.
I've never met him personally,
taking the
but the
truck,
fact
bro,
that I
taking the
know him, I
Volkswagen.
have their numbers and shit. Like that's cool right there. That's something that Dead Mouse, for example. That's also one that's pretty fucking cool.
Patching
You
the
can't
front.
post-
Post Malone,
that anymore?
having Post Malone's numbers pretty cool. I don't like.
Would you like
I
me to
don't
shoot
really
the tire out
listen
with
to Post Malone
suppressed
that much,
SMG or
but his
what, dude?
music's good.
No, I just
But
wanna
once
see
again,
if
that's
I
not
can
like
put
crazy
him out.
starstruck. Like, oh my god, you know, like it's just
Oh,
Oh, we're getting shot, we're getting shot, we're getting shot.
Oh, we gotta move.
we're going, we're moving,
It's
we're
right
moving.
somewhere, like southwest.
We're going straight at these
Like up at
guys.
this compound. Yeah.
Wait, where? You think?
I think
Chandler's
it's
AFK,
straight at,
take him
straight
out.
at, I'm pretty
Ah,
sure.
okay,
Yeah,
back, sorry.
okay, he's back.
I think he's back.
I heard the bullet
Okay.
hanging.
Okay, he's back. What's happening?
I think they're up at that compound, right? Like southeast.
I think so.
Oh, dude, you can stand up all sick in the truck. What?
Yeah.
Someone's about to die.
Oh, on the right.
Do you guys have range?
By the
Should we
road.
get out? You think?
Yeah, I got 4x.
Got the Winnie.
All right, we're gonna stop at this hut.
Or we just pull
no,
up
the
to
hill.
the
No,
compound.
we're just top of the hill.
Are they the compound 300?
Yeah, it's right up here. Yeah,
Gotcha.
northwest.
So we're in this compound down here.
Yeah, right in. Yes.
I have no range. Jeez.
I don't see any movement.
Where's this boy? Bro, he's hiding. He's playing scared.
Mm-hmm.
I see him. I see him.
Yeah,
His bottom
the
floor of like the.
Warehouse. Oh, he's moving?
Yeah.
Yeah, moving
Locked
over.
now? 2-story? You getting in there, Mikey?
Yeah, backwards.
Oh, there's two. Hit one at the 1-story, and the one cross. Or like the
Oh,
I'm
dude,
sorry,
peeks left side. Peeks left side. Right side of the square thing.
I see him.
Yeah, the square house.
dude.
Yeah, what is that?
Oh no, Shroud, come on, bro. Shroud, just let
Come
it
on, my
stop,
son.
motherfucker. God damn it.
I just got hit by my car, dude.
Oh, there's one of
He's running. He ran to the left on.
Left side.
Whoa! Uh-oh.
We
Yo,
killed
you're
him,
gonna let me
car?
do
Nice,
that?
nice.
Car, stopped on our hill.
Car.
I got
You
you.
fucking dead, Shroud.
I got you.
Got him.
Nice.
Insta.
That's all.
Dude, the car kept
call.
rolling! When you
Yeah,
jump
you
out,
did it like 3 times.
when you jump out, it's supposed to hit the brakes and stop. And it just didn't, ever. It just kept rolling and rolling and rolling. Whatever, dude. They're probably really confused and no idea what's
Where
going
the
on.
fuck I am?
Any, nah, no way. No
Where the
extras.
fuck I am?
I have fucking nothing. I got no meds.
Classic.
Jesus, man, bare bones as fuck this whole game.
Yeah.
I got 5 first aids.
Yes,
I can share
please.
for love. What do you need? Just one?
Yeah, I have nothing.
I just need a heal.
Is another one?
Like you.
Yep.
So could we get like spoilers from The Walking Dead?
Like, I actually don't know what happened.
Oh, really?
Since I got,
Oh,
since I got, like,
they cut you off, bro.
yeah.
Yeah, dude. We don't like them. Okay, we don't talk about that show on this
My
channel.
bad, my
okay?
bad, my bad.
All right. They did our boy dirty. Okay.
So do you know from the beginning of the season if they're gonna kill you off, kill off your character, or they just tell you one day you're gonna die today?
Usually that's what happens, is that, like, before the season, like every year before the season, the showrunner would, like, sit down and kind of give every, like,
Rundown?
cast member, like, the layout of their, this arc for the season.
Where the fuck I am?
But the first time that, like I had that meeting with the showrunner, it was, like,
Where the fuck
in
I
May.
am?
We had just started the production for the season. He gave no hints to my character dying at all.
No
And
way.
then when we were doing rehearsals for episode 6, I got the script, and I was like, so why does it say
Where
that
the
I,
fuck
like,
am?
I'm, like, acting all weird after I, like, trip and fall over this deer carcass?
Where the fuck I am?
And I was asking, like, the writer on set during rehearsals. I was like, what? He was like, he just shrugged, and he obviously knew, but he was in a very awkward position, and I feel bad for him now.
Nobody wanted to have to tell you you're about to die.
Yeah. And right after the rehearsals, the showrunner called me and he was like, hey, yeah, you're gonna be peacing out in, like, 4 weeks. I was like,
Damn.
oh, sick.
Jeez, that's crazy.
Sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, fun times. But it's all good though. Moved to LA.
We got a car
Music.
behind us.
Yeah,
You
Are
got
you doing
other
music
shit to
stuff
do.
now?
it's only one guy in the car. He's just going off-roading.
Oh, his cover's loud.
Knocked him.
I think we need his loot, honestly.
Yeah.
Dude, how the
Oh,
fuck
boy.
do you shoot this thing? I don't think I've hit a single shot with it. Jesus.
Alright.
Yeah, it's already on fire, dude. Yeah.
Come here.
Where the fuck I am?
Ugh.
That fresh helmet.
Oh, level 3. Oh. What we got? What we got? Let's all loot.
Like a bunch of savages.
Oh my god.
I don't even need anything. I was just grabbing shit.
Nice red zone.
Yeah,
What was he-
RNG.
What's he doing alone here?
I don't know, dude.
I got
Oh,
knocked too.
thoughts on Picata. Won't peek the
I
rig.
do not have the ammo to keep on sniping.
I have no range, so. If you have range, you could give me.
I have range. I just have like 30 shots left.
Yeah, I could take the range, borrow it, maybe, possible.
Where the fuck?
You'll never get it back.
Yep. Here you go, buddy. Sorry, you'll do better with it than I will.
No, don't just give me the scope. Yeah, I have an SKS.
Oh, this is good. Well, it's got. Okay. There you go.
What?
Enjoy.
Oh shit.
Oh wait, I didn't. What?
I'm so confused.
Hello? There you go. I
Okay.
picked up. Okay, that was weird.
No, we're good. Oh god, red zone.
Who are you seeing? I see him.
JW, take it
In
from the red zone.
Picata? By the motel sign in the middle of the street. Yeah, that's the one. That's the guy.
He's so he's like an ant.
Yeah.
He's like an ant.
Ant-Man, dude.
I just forget how fucking much you have to squint your eyes in this game.
Fuck, you went into that house.
Actually, wait, never mind. Riche is bannable. Never mind.
Yeah, they took that shit out.
You made that bannable. No shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know why it doesn't do anything.
Yeah, it makes.
Honestly,
Yeah, I never even used it.
I don't understand it.
Doesn't it like change the
Dude,
graphics?
reshade is. I cannot live without reshade.
You just gotta get that digital vibrance up, you know what I'm saying?
It's not even just the vibrance, it's the sharpness. It helps so
No, I
much.
feel you, yeah.
I mean, you get a monitor for that, right? Change the sharpness on it.
I'm getting SKS from,
You guys are
this
crazy
house,
going in there.
compound, 10, or something.
I mean, what else are we gonna do, dude? I think I see him. It's like on a broken wall up there. Yeah, he's moving around a broken wall across
Yeah,
the
yeah,
street.
he's running. Two. Tagged one.
Oh.
Oh, he's feeling it.
How much ammo do you have, Chad, to just keep doing this?
80 reserve.
Yikes.
Alright, now I've got a ton of 60 Gucci.
Summit, how was SOT as a duo? Better?
Better than fucking Galleon, yeah.
Really?
Galleon's such wieners.
Yeah.
Got some more action.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow, you got action?
I mean, that was honestly surprising. Do you think it was because of the server issues, or because we were
I
on
think
the galley?
I think we
Look,
had
you're on
bad
access.
luck the first 2 days.
Right here.
Right in front of you?
Okay.
Knocked him.
Oh, ooh.
Down the oh shit, northwest.
Oh,
Top
bombs
of it?
again, dude.
I have no scopes, I can't get any shots.
I killed the down there.
Nice. He's a 305.
The hill,
Thank you.
the hill
We're
we
gonna
were
snipe
just
from
on.
somewhere else.
The hill we were just on. I got sniped from my back. I always look up because I think the bomb, like I can see it. You can't see it.
Oh yeah, I see him at the hut, 115. Coming
Full
down.
team 70.
Oh, we're in the chassis? Oh.
Got me? Oh, dude, that was you.
Sorry.
Oh,
Sorry.
you just gave me a fucking heart attack.
Sorry.
They're on the hill we came from?
Yeah, peeking the rock, 110. Peeking the
Alright,
rock.
I'm just
right
gonna
there.
range up. 1 sec.
Oh, come on, baby. Give me that. Shot him. I shot him.
Nice shot. Just one or two?
Just one at that rock. There's some like top hill though.
Try that thing's on fire, dog.
Yeah, I just wanted to move.
Tagged got top hill too.
Oh, so close.
This is crazy.
I need ammunition.
Is my zeroing? No, it's not.
Oh, I'm getting tagged.
We got the
That's
rock
gas
still.
guy. Yeah.
I'm gonna try to push him so we have more room here to breathe. Hold on.
I'm flanking rock guy right now. Kind of moving to his
Hit rock
left
guy.
from
Hit
me.
rock guy.
Yeah. Me and Shroud are pushing him in a sec.
He's hurting.
Hold
I'm
on.
to his
Second
left right
nade.
now.
He's running. He's running. Don't let him escape. He's running.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
you
in.
got him. Top hill still okay.
Please have something.
I'm getting pinned down by these guys at the top of the hill.
Dude, I have no boosts. Fuck.
They're just like directly 80 from me.
Yeah, I'm gonna try peeking for you.
You can hear them.
If I fucking die here, I'm gonna be heartbroken, dude.
Tag
Nice,
one?
good hits,
Oh,
good hits.
So hurt, dude. That guy's still
Moving up.
peeking. What a man.
What a man.
I'm tagging him, dude.
Summit's
They're all
about
hurt.
to make a play.
They're all,
they're
solid.
all-
Take him out, dude. Take him out.
Go Summit. Yes.
Oh god, dude, what spotted me?
No.
I'm coming.
There's two hurt.
Close?
Zone's
Really?
about
Yeah,
to move in, by
one's
the way.
close.
I need ammo.
Knocked
real
one,
bad.
knocked one. Oh shit, there's the three all down there, John.
Nice.
No, dude, another team!
Another team.
No!
Yeah, close. Very
I'm
close to
coming,
me. Very
way.
close to me.
I'm coming.
Fast as we can.
Oh, he's throwing nades. Are you kidding me? Please don't bounce. Okay.
Dude, I don't have ammo, man. Fuck, this is scary.
What do you need?
5-5?
556? I got you.
Hell yeah.
I'll drop you like 60.
Yep.
Just while we're running.
Slam it down whenever.
you go.
Perfect.
There's so much loot here, dude, but I'm just. Ooh.
Careful.
Yeah, it's
Is
like
that-
we're
is those
coming, we're
mother-
coming, we're
yeah.
coming. Don't get crazy, brother.
I'm not trying to. Oh, there he is.
Oh, right there, right there.
Oh, empty.
No.
Far right,
Oh.
one right in front of. Two.
I see him.
There's 3. This guy right in front of me is low, 85. Stupid
How
low.
close?
Like right next to me.
Oh, I see, man.
He probably healed, honestly. Yes.
Knock one.
I'm getting shot in the back, dude. I don't even know. He's behind us again?
Yeah.
North on the ridge.
I'm trying, hold on.
Let's go, Coral.
I believe.
Oh, nice.
Let's go, baby!
Good shit.
Oh my
Mike first,
god.
Mike first. Yeah. Good shit, dog.
Can
I can't believe that guy
Can
was
Drake do
all
that?
over
Huh?
there.
Can Drake do that? Anybody? No? Okay.
Hell no.
Holy fuck, that was insane. There's so much loot right here.
There's so many, dude.
Yeah, there's so much loot.
Yeah.
All these guys down here as well.
No vest, no helmet.
Baby.
Fresh level 3, right here.
Where the
There you
fuck
go.
I am.
I'm gonna go loot this guy.
Those guys had an air suppressor.
4x on the ground here.
Air
There's
comp. Could
there's
use
more
that
over
last
here.
night.
Yeah, I'll go for this guy.
SKS on this guy if anyone wants it.
Drop some shit. I picked up little extras.
Does anyone have boosters?
I got some. Just give me a second.
Yeah, dude,
Yeah.
there's
Chill.
so many bodies.
Is there a bunch of meds over there? Okay,
One of my
I'm gonna
best
come over there.
friends.
I'm looting all the
Best,
meds.
dude.
Just in the zone. I can't even loot all the meds. There, you could have a kitted M4, everything.
I have one.
Okay.
I have one.
So there's 3 first aids left, but you need boosters, yeah? Here, take
This guy's a canine.
take 4 of those. Did you get a helmet? Yeah, you did. I'll take this fresh.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, I'm good.
Everyone's good.
Thank you. Yeah, I think
Alright,
we're good.
we're gonna move to zone.
Yeah. Dude. Woo! So crazy. We flank one team, get flanked by another team.
Yeah. I'm gonna boost up real quick before I push.
Yep. I have so many nades. I can't wait.
Dude, how many kills do we have?
I got 11.
I got 7.
Holy shit, we're fragging. Jared?
What's that, man? I'm chilling.
How many kills do you have?
I don't know. Where do I look?
Hit just like M.
Open
or
up your
tab or
map.
whatever. Up right.
5.
Where the fuck I am.
Solid.
You're bragging. Holy shit.
I don't even remember getting 5. I don't know where the fuck they. I don't know where I got those.
Right? It just happens. Let's try to get 40. Yeah, I'm gonna whip this track. We can spread on the hill.
Where the fuck I am.
Chill at the top.
Oh, I hit him. 210.
My game froze. So I'm back.
What number?
I hit him again at 210. Like, dead. Oh, he's out of sight.
210?
Yeah, they're far.
Where's
Like,
the
I'm looking
fuck?
past
Oh,
the
I see
road.
them.
Way
Yeah, I'm
past.
not even taking shots.
Yeah. Oh my god, that one's so much farther away. I hit this guy twice. This
Where
guy at the tree
fuck
here.
I am.
Oh wait, is he dead? He's dead. Yeah, well that guy died. Oh, 210. Oh my god.
How far?
They're running away from the zone very far, like edge
Oh,
of
I
the circle.
see them. Yeah.
They're in the zone actually.
Where the fuck I am.
Oh, he's
One went prone at that
at the
green
tree. He's just like
tree.
crouched. What are they doing?
I don't know.
Too low.
It's so far, dude.
Oh, come on, man. It might be worth M4ing this. No, it's not tunnel. Should we swing lefty around the ridge?
Yeah, probably start pushing towards zone.
We have a car if you want to just like whip it into the middle.
Oh, we can shot from.
Oh god.
Like behind
Those guys
them.
are shooting at me. The SKS?
They were.
It's like
they were just getting
I
shot at.
think it's a. Yeah. He's at the tree, edge of the zone. 210, just running left.
Yeah. I see him, but
Yeah.
he was getting shot at from somewhere else. But it was definitely
Oh,
really
dude.
close.
Bro. Oh my god. Almost hit you. Hit that guy
Whoa.
195. Oh, bro.
Come on.
Hit him.
The SKS guy's still at the edge of the zone over there by the tree.
Why am I not seeing this SKS guy?
He's peeking that ridge. 210.
Oh,
Moving left. You see his like little head.
I think he's peeking this ridge.
Come on. Dude, how them?
One's running. 195 at the shack.
Oh, I thought he was gonna go in
He's
the shack.
going
Zone
past the
20?
shack. Yeah. What?
20.
This guy just prone in the middle of the fucking street.
Nah, he's running. This tree's in the way, dude. Fuck.
Oh my god,
shit,
sorry,
I'm
that was
sorry,
my
sorry.
fault.
We should watch our east.
I got
dude.
stuck on you.
Alright, we gotta move, boys.
Yeah. Let's move.
The same thing,
Shit,
that's the
we-
same thing that happened to Chad.
Yeah. I like duck though.
Fuck I am.
I let it ran into his barrel.
Oh, he's peeking the compound.
Yep. Getting shot at.
Where the
I shot him. What? Alright, he's hurt.
You hit a banger right there.
It wasn't a headshot, dude. Should have been. Maybe. Maybe not.
I don't know where to go.
Oh, his team's pushing too, or another guy.
This is a very shitty zone.
Yeah.
Where the fuck I am.
It's not that bad. We just gotta
Middle
keep,
of the field.
we just gotta keep moving. No, I mean like,
Yeah.
for us,
Where
I think
the
it's,
fuck I am.
It's not terrible.
It's
I mean,
just
we're in
not
an
high
okay
in that
position right
red.
now, but if it just centralizes anymore, it's gonna be.
We're
prone.
kind of split though, so I think we'll be able
Yep,
to
it's
handle it.
about to be.
Where the fuck
Everyone's
I
supposed to be
am.
proning in the middle of the field.
I'm just worried about this guy at this compound. I want to get rid of him.
pretty sure he moved.
No,
help us,
there's a different guy running behind him. I have no vest anymore either. It's gonna be bad.
Oh yeah, I see there's two guys at the compound there.
Which one? West?
On me?
230, 240.
Yeah, like on me, right?
I got like three hits on him, on one of the guys.
Oh, bro, this guy just got see.
Where the fuck I am.
If you eliminate that team, Chad, we win.
No, there's one here.
I'm saying
At least.
if you do.
There's two. There's
Oh,
two.
okay.
There's two.
Where
There's
the
one
fuck
in
I
that
am.
that like grayish tan building. There's another one in the garage.
Garage guy 1 HP.
Tan
Whoa.
building dead.
Garage guy dead.
Nice, dude.
Building dead. Nice shot.
Yeah.
Shit.
Where the fuck
I got
am.
owned.
6
Alright,
left.
Yeah, we're in a good spot.
3 more boys.
Yeah, they're
I should get a
south.
vest,
They're
probably.
south. I heard them fighting.
You headshot this guy, right? Clean vest.
Yeah. I mean, we could have
Oh,
bodied
baby.
him, but
Yeah.
Most of these guys are south, right?
yeah.
He doesn't. Doesn't have a vest.
I'm gonna very.
There's one.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Damn,
Another one?
but-
Very low.
Oh, he's one hit, dude. He's got like 20 HP.
I don't think he's in the zone over there.
We're there. We're there.
Come on. Where are you gonna go?
Oh, in this compound on me.
Ran down the hill.
Backside
Ran
of
down the
the
hill.
compound.
He's definitely in that building.
All right.
It's gotta be right in front of
Yeah, I
me
hear
up
him.
here.
I hear
Yep.
him in here.
One more.
The god. The god, Chad. Oh yeah. It's the Chad.